fuck by no fans, and that's gonna be my image that I'm running with. Fuck everybody's opinion, you know what I mean?
What's your name?
Oh, FAXE 5HOT. Yeah. I wanted to go with Dead Shot like the movie Suicide Squad. That target in my face. I don't miss though. Like literally, I don't miss, but that's neither here nor there. I don't want no problems with law enforcement and shit like that, but.
So FAXE, why you make music?
I make music, I got a lot of pain, and that's how I release that shit. I used to like to fight and shoot, and I still do, but shit, I can filter that shit slowly but surely, you know what I mean? Rehabilitate myself. I just got out of jail, Rice Street on a program, like, shout out to the Kill. I told him I smoked dope since I was 14, I had to get out there, motherfucker. I ain't never smoked crack in my life, but hey, man. I was just sitting all the jail though. I got out early, 5 years sentence suspended, bro. Like, I see that shit in movies when folk get a suspended sentence. That shit is unheard of, but I ain't do nothing. I supposed to do 6 months, but before when I got there, they say you can leave. I left soon.
What you gonna do with your
let
free
nigga walk
time?
out the door. They ain't lit though.
What you gonna do with your free time?
What I'm gonna do with my free time?
Mm-hmm.
I got a job, I got a daughter, and you know what I mean, I got a little hustle. Something like that.
Okay.
A hobby. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead.
So tell me, what is your ideal of success?
What's my idea of success?
Yes.
Surviving through struggle is the embodiment of success to me.
Okay. Do you feel like you have reached your personal goal of success?
Oh no, I'm still struggling. I'm surviving the struggle, you know what I'm saying? Maintaining that. And, you know, I don't really be on no like trying to be better than nobody. I just know what I'm going through and shit. So hell no, I ain't successful, nigga. I ain't even got my car at the shop yet. Like I'm fucked up. I be yeah, like hell no, I ain't successful at all. Hell no, I fuck with that word though. I don't use that shit probably but like every 6 months though. But hell no, I'm far from it. But hey man, whoever seeing this shit, you're familiar with their fate and their chin, all this shit, the cheek boy.
What motivates you?
What motivates me? My daughter. She too. Yeah, she look just like me, act like me, all that. That's what motivates me. And my folks fucked up for real, like no capping and all this. My folks is fucked up. Section 8 is still puppy. Like, yeah, I got a room over there, I don't be over there, but I'm blessed to say I got some good ass friends, not family. Like, I got some good ass family, not just your biological family, your family, yeah.
So what would you describe your sound as?
A lot of folks say trouble though. I'm from the east side, but I ain't from East Atlanta. That shit get mixed up, Decatur. I ain't from them that. I'm Stone Mountain 118, Rockville Road, Sherwood Farm, suburb basically. But we was on Section 8, and so I don't know, Nick call it what they call it. I sound like an east side nigga who got now moved to the west side of Atlanta. I sound like an east side nigga from the outskirts who moved to the west side of Atlanta because the nigga really was on some same type thing. I don't know if you can understand it. If you ain't from the city, you ain't gonna really understand it. Just period. If you ain't from Atlanta, and you ain't never ran around this shit all the way from Sydney, Kanye, whatever in the city, you ain't pulled up to none of these zones, you ain't understand this shit. But that's my sound. A nigga from the outskirts who came a long ass way. Like Migos say, the bando. I wasn't trapping out them bitches. I was sleeping in them hoes.
So what is your plan to, you know, make it out or make it to your level of success? What's your plan?
I don't think I want to discuss that. That's kind of dear to the heart. But I don't want to be selfish and say I don't want to tell people. I don't want to tell people.
You can just drop some small gems for them to maybe inspire someone who doesn't know where to start.
Stay humble. Shit. That's what #1 for me, try to stay humble. Because I want no big rewards, so I'm going to take some big ass risks. that's like rapping in the number 1, 2 for my plan. If you want to arrange it like that, I don't know. Like,
do you feel like everybody?
Ways.
You feel like everybody in life has to trade rewards for risks?
See, I ain't never been questioned before, but by police, so this shit.
We ain't the
personal,
police.
I know y'all like 12, but okay, yeah, you gotta take the risk for the rewards. I'm sorry, like, unless you just was born fucked up,
and
like
risk could be
Orphan
anything,
Annie. You feel what I'm saying?
Risk could be anything.
And some folks take risks, don't even know they taking risks.
Literally.
You see what I'm saying? So, you gotta take the risk to get the reward. I'm sorry.
It could be, losing your mom the day you make it, or your dad the day you go number 1, or your boyfriend, your girlfriend leaving you so you can get a better job. It could be anything.
Yeah, the light right there to the right. Big nose ass. Excuse me.
So.
That a theater though. The projector right there cut on all that.
What can we expect from you, FAXE, coming within the next year?
A lot, you hear me? Clothing line. A whole different genre of the art of tattooing. My sister got a little non-profit for people who got cerebral palsy and shit. I got family who got autism, like a lot. You got a lot coming from me, cause shit. Folk look like me, damn, like around here every day, every week.
How we gonna save them?
I don't know, they ain't gonna even count like my mama and my older, like people around me, like relatives, ancestors, like grandparents, whatever you want may have, because I ain't gonna tell my story on that part, like my personal life, my family and shit, like no father and all that, but goddamn, I don't know how to start that shit. Like they used to talk to me about like going to jail, prison shit. That's why I'm trying to get it. My man just got killed in prison. Like, this nigga been there, he ain't had nothing for 6 months, you feel what I'm saying? Like that shit unheard of, shit ain't going down like that, you feel what I'm saying? Shit ain't going down like that. And then my man, like, while my baby mama pregnant my daughter, like, he'd sit his ass in the house while she pregnant, cause I got to really go do some shit, like, you feel me? Then he could, little girl, they the same age, like, I don't know how to save nobody, I'm sorry, like, I don't know how to do that, I ain't gonna lie to you. I wish I did, though, like.
What would be your number 1 tip for someone who wants to be an artist?
I don't know. I ain't even want to be this.
So this life chose you?
Yeah. That shit like a blessing though.
What if that life chose them too?
Yeah.
What would you tell them if they knew that life chose them and they just like shit?
But look though, I blame like
I don't know how to keep going in this game because this shit is hard. Like how do you feel towards that? Like people who feel
I ain't in it deep, so I don't know. I ain't gonna lie. I can't tell no lies like when it comes, especially like to the youth. I don't want to steer nobody wrong with it. There's a lot of weird stuff out there, like still like stuff that I be like, what the hell? Yeah, like,
at least you know that your influence is still shown to everyone or just the people out here, the children especially.
Yeah, they look up to the dude. I don't know.
You feel like you have to have a positive image for the children or just for
most
your
definitely.
fans?
Yeah, most definitely. Cause like my influence, like on the record, but like all them older groups, like NWA, like I feel like Cube ain't get a lot of the props he get. Like Shotty wrote like his words, like my brother, like Leo Powell, like bro. I ain't gonna say my brother, man, like I didn't know, but like Shotty treat a nigga like we family, like bro, some shit like that. But his words, he could put words together for you. We heard shit. Anybody he talk to, and make your ass great. But I write my own shit. Well, I don't write, but I don't know, like I don't know what to tell, like you knowing they look up to a nigga, like my word go get jumbled up like this, you feel, but like I don't know, like that influence shit cut. That's why I spoke on like my cousin shit have autism, all this shit. We got somebody who had a child by a Spanish person, so I try to relate more like my family. So with a bigger crowd, I don't know. I can't even lie, I don't know. That's exciting though for me to say that. But I would most so want to like, you know, touch them, like be close to see what the fuck going on, cause I wouldn't know until.
You like having a bond with your fans, like a personal, relatable bond with them?
I don't know. Like I don't know. Like, cause I ain't never
see.
interacted or like had nobody like I'm your fan, like
right.
Except for like people around me, shit.
Okay.
Excuse me.
No, that's cool. That's cool.
Yeah.
So you got some songs coming out?
Oh yeah, I got a whole tape, but I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna, like, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna drop this shit. Who I'm gonna drop this shit with.
Alright, you wanna give any shout outs?
Oh yeah, man, free them. I'm always gonna say that forever. Goddamn, free Fofo, he on the way. Free Loco is gonna take a little weight. Free Hunt, goddamn, free Yale. Free goddamn baby, free Ron. A lot of folk be doing all that, like my folk getting snatched up for real, 20s, 90s, years, like, but my brother on the way, Fofo, he the reason I'm doing this shit, trying to tell these folks a story, not glorified, goddamn, this hood street shit, cause.
Can you freestyle?
Oh yeah, but like, just give me a top. If you want to, and I'm just give you what I got, I ain't gonna try to wow you or none of that, but just give me a topic though, I ain't with that just freestyle, like.
Being locked up, that's your topic.
Being locked up,
yeah.
Sleeping by the toilet. Have you ever had to sleep by a toilet? Waking up saying we live in a bathroom. Niggas laughing like, bro, we live in a bathroom, you goofy as fuck. Nah, I'm really fuck. If you fuck up out here in these streets, then you stuck. Have you ever been homeless, begging for all them food stamps? When you go to the office, they give you $1.92 for them food stamp. Defect. My mama worked for Defect. They don't know how I was working, not with the Defect. They don't know how I got that EBT through the Defect, and I was flooding everybody EBT from that Defect. Mama don't work for Defect, cause I fucked up with Defect. And Shouter just made the new EBT, but no Defect. They sent Shouter to the feds. I got that money, got my bread, that white, that wheat. You just steal out of Pully just to eat. You just sleep in that bundle for all them weeks. Gotta wake up like 7 in the morning like I'm going to work. Cause 12 pulling up, try to go out to work. You don't know those shifts. They work from 311 on them shifts at APD. In the Cal, they know me. I'm banned from that bitch. I'm from the east side, but they call me west side on the east side. You know who the fuck it is. The nigga who, yeah, hooded him. Yeah, a whole lot of that, but nah. I just be playing with the word. I don't know if folk gonna like this shit or what, but.
And I really thank you for coming onto the show, like.
Well, I thank y'all for pulling up. And this, hey, shout out to Charisma, how they spell it and everything. Cause, you know, I gang bang, so this shit look like, you know what I mean? That shit look like, ooh. But, yeah, that shit hard. It's slick like some hieroglyphic Egyptian shit. Kinda, y'all could've put like some eyes or something like, I don't know, I might need to fuck with y'all, cause I draw. I did all my tattoos and shit, like I got a whole bunch of shit. Oh my bad, I forgot. I'm hot, I ain't smoked all day.